5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's odd.
Are you expecting something to happen?
Yes.
No. No. This is not right. What's happening? What's happening?
Guess we know what his powers were. If you knew he was gonna wake up, why didn't you say something? We could have saved him. We couldn't. The subject was experiencing rapid mitochondrial deterioration. Death was... No, he's not a subject! He's a person, and his name is Sean Phillips, and now he's dead! Indeed. And now we have more data. I'll input this.
Took long enough for Popsicle Boy here to thaw out.
With the added 10 seconds, it doesn't add up.
It was 8, and what you're doing isn't working because you're trying to predict improvement, and I designed it to predict failure.
Yeah, okay.
I told you, Dr. Stewart, they're all gonna die. It's only a matter of how quickly.
I refuse to accept that.
I know, your optimism amuses me. But death catches us all, Dr. Stewart. None of us gets out alive.
Run the simulation on the chemical chain and see if it doesn't lead to a serum of some sort.
Just imagine an entire family of metas, though. Once the ASA found them, we'd be able to poke, prod, and scrutinize every detail of their genetic makeup. That would be excellent.